Opening up a pack of Comic Ball 3 Upper Deck, featuring Ken Griffey Jr. and Sr., Jim Abbott, and the crazy Looney Tunes characters. Let's see how crazy they are. Might be Bugs Bunny's ears right there, maybe. Bugs and Elmer. Porky Pig and Jim Abbott. Bugs and Daffy. Oh, we got a Mariner hat, part of the puzzle on the back. I'm trying to watch the game, now up at bat for the Seattle Mariners. Another Jim Abbott. Another Jim Abbott. Daffy. Oh, Griffey and Abbott on the same card with Bugs and Marvin the Martian. The Chipmunks. Yosemite Sam. There's Griffey. What position did Ken Griffey Jr. play on his high school football team? He played wide receiver. Oh, there's Griffey. Oh, Griffey making a face. I think Pepe Le Pew stinking up the joint. And finally, Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, and Marvin the Martian. Comic Ball 3.